In this video, we are going to show you how to clean the equipment at the end of recess.
If you're a yard monitor, your job is to help clean the equipment for the next recess group. All the dirty equipment will be placed in the bin. After the students have returned the equipment, you are going to put all the equipment on the ground. Nicely lay them on the ground. Then you are going to come and use the sprayer to clean all the equipment. Once you do one side, you're going to flip the equipment over and do the other side. For things like balls or pool noodles that might blow away, you can keep them in the bucket and clean it from the bucket, if that's easier for you.
And you put it in that bag.
Then, once you clean everything, you put it in the clean bag so that the next group can get the clean equipment.
To recap, at the end of recess, students put all the equipment in the bucket. Yard monitors take out the equipment and lay it on the ground. Then they spray both sides of the equipment and return the equipment to the clean mesh bag. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please reach out to Angelica, Lindsay, Rafa, or Ariel, and we'll be happy to help.